Man, what an ugly house, huh? That was the original property as we bought it. My wife and I tore down this house, and that's what this video is going to be about. I'm compiling some of the old footage that I have into something that's going to be more entertaining. This series is all going to be about how we built our super insulated house that we currently live in today. I hope you enjoy. That's the best window we got in the whole place. Hey, so here's when you walk in. This is the kitchen. That's my stove with no grates on it. Light fixture. Look at this place. Yep. That's the one and only cabinet. Here's the bathroom. It's been winterized. Look at this. No light. Walls. Alright, now here we got a different floor. It's a perfect threshold right there, right? Yep. A window. Another beautiful light fixture. Duct tape in the corner. Man, this place is great. Up the bulkhead to show you the burner. This is all. Here you go. There's the burner, the boiler. So this is what we've got. Falling down insulation. There's a cinder block jammed in there. We got a tarp down. Catch some of this. Tub is out, toilet's out, vanity's out. There's my sister and her husband. Oh. There's Elena. The wall's down. Got the siding down from the front. Here we go. Taking the roof off now. Here we are, the end of day one. We've taken off most of the roof. Just took down that gable wall. The house is down. This is like the 5th day of demo. There it is with finally all the subfloor up. That took me a long time. Down there is the basement hole where the oil boiler sat. You can just see just all the insulation that somebody tried to push up towards the subfloor fell down. I mean, that's not how you want to insulate a crawl space. I'm going to still have a crawl space, so you'll see the progress and how I choose to insulate it, but trying to keep this fiberglass insulation up to the subfloor is just a poor idea to start with. And here's the foundation. I ripped the rest of this area, has a change in height, because that was the original house. And the original house had some old sill plates on it. These were the old, like, hand hewn. They were all, you know, lap jointed together. Essentially, we did a lot of cleaning. We got all of the wood removed at all. We, you know, raked and everything up the bottom, so we made sure that we got all the bits of insulation and you know, scraps of wood and any. What kind of snake is that? Quite a day. If you enjoyed these videos, please like, subscribe, comment, and share. And any of you wondering why I stopped at this point and saved this ridiculously poor foundation, it was the town that forced me to do it.